MetaComputing has launched a 45 tops AI. We got to do AI. It's like, this is my new AI powered blender. And I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. Powered by the CIX CP8180. And you're like, maybe that sounds a little bit familiar. This is going to fit into the Framework Laptop 13. There it is. And of course, we got to have AI on the screenshot. Yeah, of course. Why not? This is the same company that makes the SoC that is in my Rasta 06. And the lighter version, which is in my Orange Pi 6 Plus, this is ARM. That means it is crazy fast for an ARM device. It also means the power consumption is going to suck. These are not power efficient chips, man. These are the opposite of that, which I'm like, maybe they found a way to make these things idle at under 14 watts. Yeah, I didn't stutter. 14 watts are what these things idle at, man. Software is still a ways off for these chips. They're still upstreaming stuff. CIX is actually releasing stuff. They're very much behind. Opens, I think kernel 618 has support for the GPU. The Panther stuff is getting in there. You would have to compile Mesa by yourself and recompile the kernel to make everything work. But it's getting there. $5.99 USD. I think this should also be treated very, very much like the video that Jeffrey did for the RISC-V Roma. Like, very much like, I came out with these guys when, the most recent one, the Orange Pi 6 Plus. Effectively the same chip. Do I have the photographic evidence of, look at all the fishies?
Lots of fishies.
Yeah. That's what they idle at, man. 15.3 watts. So you need to keep that in mind. Unless you're like looking to start developing with a CIX platform, probably not something you want to look into. But I will have a link in the show notes. MetaComputing is offering to sell you the board or one with a laptop in it. And yeah, there it is, man. Pretty cool. I thought it was neat. Worth taking a look at.
Yeah. It's just so exciting to see Framework getting into all the low-powered computer architectures, or supposedly low power.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because, when they partnered with Deep Computing with their RISC-V powered development board for their Framework 13 laptop, that was a huge deal, and that was put out in February. And the likes of Jeff Gerling and some of our other YouTube friends have covered that. So it's really amazing. We have this company that's making modular and sustainable computers, and now dipping their hands in all the architectures, including ARM, and that's just awesome.